Hello, we're on page 62. We're going to begin by talking about what it means to be a discrete relation and a continuous relation. A discrete relation just has dots on the graph, okay? A continuous relation is a solid line or a curved line or a curve, okay? Both discrete and continuous graphs, you can use the vertical line test to determine whether the relation is a function. So if you were to take a ruler or a straight edge and go left to right on this blue graph, you would only cross through one point at a time. So this one is a function. This is a function because no vertical line intersects the graph more than one point. If you look here and go left to right, you can identify places where you're crossing the graph at more than one point. If you look at the dotted line here, it shows that the vertical line crosses here, and therefore this graph does not represent a function. Okay, so if you look at real world example 2 now, the graph shows the length of the Tour de France in kilometers each year from 2000 through 2009. Is the relation discrete or continuous? Does the graph represent a function? So first of all, is it discrete or continuous? Okay, it's just dots on the coordinate plane. There's not a solid line, so it's going to be discrete. And then, is it a function? Does it pass the vertical line test? If you take a vertical line, go left to right, you only cross through one point at a time. So yes, this is a function. And then, here's a guided practice. I just want to draw your attention to this. Notice that they labeled both axes, and then here they have this lightning bolt. That shows that this is not a proportional graph, and they're skipping up from 0 to 3100 right away. So when you do number 2, make sure you include a lightning bolt and skip upwards. Okay, so try number 2 here on your own. The number of employees a company had in each year from 2004 to 2009 was 25, 28, 34, 31, 27 in 2009. Graph this information and determine whether the relation is discrete or continuous. Does this graph represent a function? Okay, so here it is. Okay, I labeled year and number of employees on my axes. The year is 2004 all the way up to 2009. The number of employees goes from as little as, so I did a lightning bolt right here to show that I'm skipping up to 24, and then I did 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and 34, and so that's how I did it. And then 2004 we had 25 employees, 2005 we had 28, 2006 was 34, 2007 was 31, and then 2008 was 27, 2009 was 29. Okay, notice that it's just dots on the graph, so it is discrete. And then if you were to take a straight edge and go left to right, you only pass through one point at a time. So yes, it is a function.